Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to sign in and act now. Open Icloud. com/mail or the Mail app and confirm your Apple ID is active. Once signed in, make sure two-step verification is enabled and generate an app-specific password if a client needs it. Next, export or forward any critical messages to a secondary account so you won't lose data when cleaning. You're doing this to avoid accidental deletion and to ensure filters apply predictably. Now, proceed to identify large or repetitive senders to target. You'll sort and reduce volume. Use search operators like from, has, attachment, before, yimmdd to isolate messages. Once filtered, create rules or smart folders to auto-move newsletters and receipts. Move repeat senders to an archive or dedicated folder so your inbox stays clear. For immediate cleanup, multi-select matching emails, Shift+click or select all and delete or move them to trash. Make sure to empty trash after confirming nothing critical is there. This process reduces future clutter by teaching rules what to do. Finish by emptying trash and sent folders and compacting the mailbox if your client supports it. This frees iCloud storage and speed syncing. Then unsubscribe from newsletters or block persistent senders and update your rules monthly to prevent relapse. If mail doesn't update after cleaning, resync the account, check iCloud storage under Settings, and sign out, then sign back in to refresh tokens. If that fails, generate an app-specific password or contact Apple support. This last troubleshooting step usually restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.